Winter got you feeling under the weather? Boost your immunity naturally with these delicious smoothie recipes, packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and superfoods. They're the perfect way to fight back against colds and flu. Let's blend up some health. Recipe 1. Sunshine Citrus Immunity Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 orange peeled and segmented, half a grapefruit peeled and segmented, 1-inch piece fresh ginger peeled, half a teaspoon turmeric powder or fresh, grated, 1 cup spinach, half a cup water or coconut water. Adjust for desired thickness. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth. Taste and add more water if needed. Enjoy immediately. Why? Because it works. Vitamin C from citrus, anti-inflammatory ginger and turmeric, plus iron-rich spinach for overall health. Recipe 2. Berry Blast Antioxidant Powerhouse. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed berries, frozen or fresh, half a banana, half a cup plain yogurt. Greek yogurt adds extra protein. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, half a cup milk of choice. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Top with extra berries if desired. Why? It works. Berries are packed with antioxidants. Banana offers potassium. Yogurt has probiotics for gut health. And chia seeds add fiber and omega-3s. Recipe 3. Green Machine Detoxifying Blend. Let's dive into the ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of kale or another leafy green of your choice, 1 cup of pineapple chunks, half a cucumber, roughly chopped, 1 green apple, cored and chopped, and the juice of half a lemon. Optionally, you can add half a cup of water. To prepare, simply blend everything until well combined. If needed, add water for a thinner consistency. Enjoy this refreshing, cleansing smoothie. Why does it work? Well, kale is a nutritional powerhouse. Pineapple is anti-inflammatory. Cucumber hydrates. Apple adds fiber. And lemon helps detoxify. Recipe 4. Tropical Immune Booster. For this sunny delight, you'll need 1 cup of mango chunks, 1 cup of papaya chunks, half a cup of grated carrot, and 1 cup of orange juice. Just blend all these ingredients until smooth. And there you have it. Enjoy this sweet and sunny immune boost. What makes it so effective? Mango and papaya are high in vitamins A and C. Carrot adds beta-carotene, and orange juice provides an additional boost of vitamin C. Recipe 5. Creamy gingerbread immunity shot. Gather these ingredients: 1 frozen banana, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, a 1-inch piece of ginger, peeled, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, and half a cup of your choice of milk. Blend until thick and creamy. This makes a smaller serving perfect as a quick shot of immune-boosting goodness. Why is it beneficial? Banana provides potassium, almond butter has healthy fats, ginger is anti-inflammatory, and spices like cinnamon and nutmeg are known to have immune benefits. There you have it. 5 delicious smoothie recipes to support your immune system. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a step on our journey to better health.